You've accidentally created an ephemeral rather than volume-backed VM. It's already in production, and you don't want to start fresh or have to deal with updating host inventories. Relax. Here are 6 steps to get you out. Step 1. Create a snapshot of your chosen instance. This is what we will use to create our volume-backed instance. Click the drop-down menu to the right of the instance. Click Create Snapshot. Name the snapshot. Give OpenStack a moment to create the snapshot. Step 2. Create a volume from the snapshot created in Step 1. Click Create Volume from the drop-down on the right side of the snapshot. Name the volume and change the size if required. Click Create Volume at the bottom of the window. Step 3. Record the interface information from the Ephemeral VM. Include the network the interface is attached to, the MAC address, the IP address if any, and the FIPS attached, and the security groups. An easy place to find the IP and the MAC address is to click on the instance name, go to the Interface tab at the top, and there is the IP address and your MAC address. Step 4. Detach the interface from the Ephemeral VM. From the drop-down on the right side of the instance, click Detach Interface. On the new window that pops up, select which port to detach from the drop-down. Click Detach Interface at the bottom right. Step 5. Create a port on the desired network using the information from Step 3. Click on the name of the desired network in the Network section. Click the Ports tab near the top. Click plus Create Port near the top right. Give the port a name, usually similar to the VM name. Select Fixed IP Address from the drop-down. Input the IP address from Step 3. Input the MAC address from Step 3. And then click Security Groups at the top of the window. Attach any security groups needed from Step 3. Click Create at the bottom of the window. Step 6. Create a VM from the volume created in Step 2. During the VM creation process, make sure to attach the ports created in Step 5. Locate the volume under the Volumes section. From the drop-down on the right of the volume, click Launch as Instance. Give the instance a name and then click Source or Next. Make sure that the Select Boot Source drop-down is set to Volume and click the up arrow to the right of the volume name. Click Flavor. Select which flavor to use, then click Network Ports. Click the up arrow or arrows next to the port or ports you created in Step 5. Click Launch Instance. If there were no hiccups, you should now have a volume-backed VM with the same IP address. Now you don't have to start fresh or deal with updating host inventories. By following the above steps, you have just created a volume-backed VM out of an ephemeral VM without losing any data. Once the new VM is started and you have verified there was no data loss, you can safely remove the ephemeral VM. Great work! See you in the next video.